Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Lorette, Manitoba, a delightful community located just 20 minutes southeast of Winnipeg. Nestled in the heart of the Red River Valley, Lorette is known for its picturesque landscapes, rich history, and vibrant community spirit. This charming town is surrounded by lush farmlands and rolling hills, offering a peaceful and scenic escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Lorette was founded in the late 19th century by French-Canadian settlers who were drawn to the fertile land and the promise of a prosperous future. The town's name honors Saint Lawrence, the patron saint of Canada, reflecting the strong French heritage that continues to influence the area today. Over the years, Lorette has grown into a thriving community that values its cultural roots and the natural beauty of its surroundings. We hope you enjoy this tour of Lorette, where the charm of a small town meets the beauty of the Canadian landscape, creating a unique and inviting destination.
Thanks for watching!